Hi besties, welcome back to my channel again. I'm teacher CC, and in this video I'll be guiding us on how to successfully apply to GLATS. Okay, apply on GLATS portal. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, if you're new to our channel, please do well to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Also ensure to watch to the end because I'll make an important announcement at the end of this video. So yes, this is the application process. Hi Bessie. If you want to be successful with your application, you need to ensure you have the requirement there. So yeah, let's get into it.
Once you open your web engine, you just paste the link. So this is where it takes you to. Okay. You have to click on all these things. So this error, ignore this error message you're seeing. You have to click all. I have computer because these are the requirements. You need to have all of them. So once you click on all of them, it will disappear. Then next. Here is where it has all the countries. Usually they recruit from all these countries, but I think because of due to some administrative issues, they aren't selecting from some of these other countries. So, okay, let me show you. If you choose South Africa, for example, you choose South Africa, for example, then click on next. Let me show. Okay, so yeah, it takes you to this place. Then you input your name, 3 names, your email, your phone number, your address, input your address, go code. You're seeing this error because I haven't completed the form. So I'm just choosing a random name, just want to show you. So yes, this is you choose the name, email, phone number, address, your birthday. So let's just choose no. So let's just choose a birthday. Okay, that's a birthday. Yeah, bachelor's degree. That's okay. So the next one is I have a Wise account. You must have a Wise account. You must have a Wise account. Say, yes, I have a Wise account. Have you ever worked for any ESL company? You can choose yes or no, depending. Then next. So you have the grammar. You have the test to write. Okay. So this is the test you're going to write. So after writing this test, if you pass, you get a notification. So let's just look at the test, what it looks like. So grammar, which of the following sentence is grammatically correct? She doesn't like to eat vegetable. He don't like. They doesn't eat. She doesn't like to eat vegetables. That's the correct one. There's nothing like she doesn't likes. So this is the correct one. What is the correct past tense of go? Past tense, that's went. What is the comparative form of good? But that's a comparative. After good, what's the next? We have comparative, we have the superlative. So this is better, good, better. Best should be the superlative. What is the plural of child? That's children. They just want to know if you have knowledge of basic English, okay? What tense is a sentence in she will be sleeping when you arrive. She will be, okay? That's future progressive tense. She'll be sleeping, that's progressive tense. So and it's in future. She dash watching TV when I called. She was watching TV when I called. What is the correct order of words in a question? What is the correct order of words in a question? Have you saw my key wrong? Have you seen my keys? You saw have my keys? Have you my so have you seen my keys? Correct. He finished his homework. Yeah, yet. So what should be there? He hasn't. Okay. He hasn't yet. No. He wasn't. No. He hadn't yet. No. He hasn't. He hasn't. She dashed in New York for 5 years. She have lived. She has lived. She has. Which sentence is correct? They was at the concert. She has already left. He don't like ice cream. No. I didn't. She has already left. Next. So I think that's the last. This is the next place it takes you to. Then you choose your orientation day, the day for the orientation. So this is what I'm seeing here. This is what I'm seeing here. And 8 a.m. 8 a.m. So you can just choose any other day. You can choose 29. That's another day. Okay, I think okay. Sometimes the orientation is usually on Tuesdays, or I think I'm seeing Wednesdays now. So yeah, on Wednesday you can choose it. Then you click on this. If you don't click on this time here, 8 a.m. your time. This is actually currently my time. This is um my time zone. Okay, so you have to check your own time. It automatically works with your time wherever you are. It works with your time. So this is my time. Then you click on 8 a.m. Click on 8 a.m. Next. Are you a returnee? No. Where did you find out about others? Just choose other, or depending on where you head. So other. Okay. Hmm. Let's just choose Facebook. Submit. The submission has been received. Okay, I think they are taking South Africans now from what I'm seeing because initially they weren't the last time I checked, they weren't taking South Africans, Ghanaians and some of some other countries. So from what I'm seeing now, I think they're taking Ghanaians. So this is it for the application process. You check your email. So let's check our email. Okay, so this is it. You just check your email. Yeah, I've passed. Say congratulations. You have passed the work from home application process. So that's that. That's the application process. And then the next thing you'll be asked to, you have to wait for the orientation day. Yes, you have to say April 22, Wednesday, April 22, 22nd. So that's the day for the orientation. So if you would like to apply to GLATS, you can give it a try. I see they are recruiting South Africans too, so you can give it a try. I wish you good luck.
Okay, thank you for watching. Please look at the description. I dropped the link to apply there. I dropped the link to apply there. So just click on the link and follow the instruction just the way I directed. It's very simple. It's just a very simple process So please watch out for the next video. I'll be making a video on things you should expect during the orientation and what you should do, how to make a video. I'm going to do it in the next video. Please watch out for the next video. Okay, that's the announcement I want to make. Watch out for the next video, where I made a detailed video on how to make your video, how to make a video, okay, to be successful with your orientation process. Because after the orientation, then you have your training. Once you're able to succeed, once you pass the orientation, you proceed to that means you're almost there. You proceed to the training part. That, I think that's the last part. After the training, then the onboarding. So but you need to pass the orientation. So I'll tell you things you need during the orientation, things you need after the orientation, things you need, the video, things you need to do. I'll guide you. I'll make a detailed video on how to be successful with that stage. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, on the orientation video. See you there. Until then, bye.